Today I want to show you the iAmLife Touch calendar. This is a smart calendar. It's going to help organize your life and all the people in it. It's going to sync everyone's schedule. You're going to love this. Let me thank the brand for sending it to me so I can show it to you. Now let's get started. Here we are with the iAmLife TouchTime Smart Calendar. As you can see, it's a corded device. It does require electricity to be turned on and plugged in. It is not rechargeable. This is a little over 10 inches, and you're going to see the different features here in a moment. Let me just direct your attention down here to the Mine button. This is where you're going to go to completely set up your smart calendar. We have over here operational instructions and an operation guide. It's going to teach you how to connect to Wi-Fi, how to log in, set up your time zone, add family members by binding. And then it also has a place to show you where to bind your phone. So this is where you want to go right out of the box to set this up. Come up here, we're going to back out of that. You're going to see the other buttons that were referenced in the instructions. We have the family account, the bind phone, the sync, the settings, the update, and the operational instructions. We'll get back to the photo function in a moment. Now, what can you do with this? Let's go back to the home screen. First of all, my home screen is personalized for me. I've got a snippet of my calendar here, and then I've got the weather appearing here. If you decide that you'd like to customize yours in a different way, you can come up to the Customize button, and you'll see you have options for meals, chores, lists, and weather. Right now, mine is on weather, but if you decide that you want your family's home screen to include their lists and the chores, then you will go ahead and select those buttons there. We're going to come down over here to the calendar button so that you can see my favorite feature of this product, and this is the sync feature. This will sync with various different types of calendars. I have it synced to my Google calendars for two different people. We have mine here in pink and we have Matt's here in blue. Once you sync, everything in their calendar can pull over and populate this calendar. So on your counter or on your desk or on your nightstand, but at a glance, you will be able to see everyone's plans for the day, and you can schedule those as far out as you want to schedule them on your Google Calendar and sync to this. You'll see that mine are showing in pink, Matt's are showing in blue. Okay. Moving down to the next button on the taskbar, we have chores. This is another really great feature if you have kids in the home and you want to assign different items for them to do each week. This is where you will do it. I have my chores listed here, and that's nowhere near the list of my chores. And look over here, Matt doesn't have anything listed. We got to work on that. But how you do it is you'll push the plus button over here, and then we'll come over here to Matt's and we will type everything. I think that's fair. We'll select Matt. We're going to select the time, and we'll put it at 11 a.m. and select that. We're going to repeat it. Let's put it every day. Boom. All right. Now we've confirmed it, and right now you can see we're displaying our chores by the day, but if you want to change that, you would come up here and you would hit month or week. We're going to hit month. Oh my goodness, Matt's going to be busy for a while. Okay, next we're going to come down here to the rewards button. It does require a TouchTime Plus subscription, so I'm not going to go into that. Coming down here, we're going to hit the meal button. This is where you can schedule and plan out your meals, your catering planning, all in this area here. And then we have another button here that requires TouchTime Plus in order to use it. So if you wanted to use this frame as also a countertop photo display, you would have to sign up for the extra subscription. So we're going to skip over that because that's not our purpose for this smart calendar. All right, down here we have lists, and I am a list person for sure. So we have a to-do list over here, and we have grocery lists over here, working same way as I showed you before. You go ahead and tap the enter a new item button. You can type it in, and then you hit the confirm button, and it will add it to your list. Keep your family organized, keep everyone on track, on the same page, and you can display this in your kitchen or in your office or anywhere the family can all look at it and see exactly where they're supposed to be. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful.